Good afternoon, Pastor Lance.
Good afternoon.
How have you been?
Good, thank you.
Good. I would like to take some of your time this afternoon to address a question that is going around out there that I think would be good that if you could give your point of view. It is popular belief that His Holiness the Dalai Lama is Chenrezig. So, if he says that the Dorje Shugden practice is wrong, then the Dalai Lama must be correct. What are your views on this?
In spiritual sense, His Holiness the Dalai Lama is Chenrezig, whereas His Holiness Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche is Vajrayogini. Both of them are Buddhas with same attainment and who shares the same missions of liberating us from our worldly sufferings. The Dalai Lama says Dorje Shugden is worldly spirit, while Trijang Rinpoche said Dorje Shugden is Buddha Manjushri. So, if he says that Dorje Shugden is spirits, then we are saying that Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche, who is one with Vajrayogini, is wrong. Mm-hmm. In other words, we are saying that the Buddha is wrong. How can a Buddha is right, yet another Buddha is wrong? It doesn't make sense. So, in addition, the fifth Dalai Lama used to practice Dorje Shugden during his early age. Both the great fifth Dalai Lama and the young 14th Dalai Lama, who shared the same mind stream with the current Dalai Lama, they used to write prayers for Dorje Shugden. Mm-hmm. So if we say Dorje Shugden is wrong, then we are saying that the previous Dalai Lama could have made mistakes. So in this case, what other mistake did he make? And how do we draw a clear line? So it is either Buddhas are all right or Buddhas could have made mistakes. If he says Buddha are right, then both His Holiness Dalai Lama and the Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche must be right too. But why they appears to in conflict with each other in their view on Dorje Shugden? If the Buddhas can't make mistakes, then perhaps the whole issue is not about Dorje Shugden anymore. During his time, Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche predicted that in the future, both His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Dorje Shugden might appear to be in conflict with each other. But in actuality, they are working hand in hand to achieve a higher goal. So it must be us, the ordinary viewer, who perceive the object wrongly due to our own attachment and projections.
Not to mention ignorance.
Yes, exactly. A good example to explain how our perception deceives us is a very famous example of a young lady and old maid visual illusion. During the test, we show a group of people with a young lady's photos and another group with photos of an old maid. Those who were shown pictures of the young lady will see the visual image, perceive the visual image as a young lady, while the other group who saw the picture of an old maid will perceive the picture as an old maid. Okay, so the truth is no one is wrong. It is a specially designed artwork to explain how our mind perceives things.
So therefore, Pastor Lance, what you are saying now is that if a mind, and to make it worse, is ignorant and uninformed and naive, if a mind is constantly fed with a certain stimuli, may it be visual, audio, or just information, it is a matter of time that the mind will start to understand and perceive this as real, as a fact, regardless of whether rubbish or non-facts are being fed in. The fact that it is constantly stimulating the mind will start to believe in it.
Yes, exactly. It's how our minds work. So, our perceptions, it all depends on how our sensory systems reacts or responds to environmental stimuli and how our brain interprets the information. So, like what you said, if you can't even figure out the tricks behind the visual illusion, then how are we going to be so sure that our viewpoint on this Dorje Shugden issue is solid? And who are we to judge the activities of enlightened beings?
That's an interesting view that you have, and that how, given all the information that's available, especially now with the internet, people don't verify facts. People don't do their necessary due diligence before they spread information. And it's a good angle that you have shared that will make people think more. To start actually asking ourselves, is the issue really just about Dorje Shugden, or is it a play of the mind?